friends, welcome back to Fudchannel Kids, and today we will be making grilled potato subs. And I thank you for all the views on my videos and also the likes on my videos. Now let's start the cooking process. Take 2 large potatoes and slice them into thin round slices like this. Then boil them until they're 50% done. When the potatoes are boiling, make sure to add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and 2 tablespoons salt. Potatoes are done boiling, we will add 4 tablespoons tomato puree. Next, we will add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 2 tablespoons. We will add 2 teaspoons red chili powder. 1, 2. Next, we will add 1 teaspoon black pepper. Next, add 2 teaspoons coriander powder. 1, 2. And then you can add salt according to your taste. Now we will add 2 teaspoons mango powder, or you can add 2 teaspoons lemon juice. 1. Then we will mix this all with our hands and be sure to wash them before mixing. The potatoes have been mixed well. Next, take a frying pan and heat your stove at high heat. Then take oil and spread it around all sides of the pan, like me. And then add your potatoes. Be sure to grill your potatoes until they're golden brown on both sides. Now our potatoes are ready. Now we will grill our onions. First, take our brush and again oil the pan. Then take your onion and chop it into thin round slices, like this. And then grill them. Now our onions have been grilled, we will grill our sub bread. First, take oil and spread it around the pan, as usual. Our sub bread is ready. Now we will start making the sub. First, add cheese to it, like how I'm doing right now. We are using 2 slices of cheese. Then you'll add some onion. A little bit of onion here, and a little bit of onion right here. And then you'll add some tomato. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now we will add a few cucumber slices to our sub. Then we will add our Roman lettuce. Chop it in half and that'll be enough for 1 sub. Next we will add some of our potato on the top. We'll add sauces to our sub. First, I'm going to add some classic ranch dressing and spread it all around our salad. Perfect. Next, we will add our ketchup. Next, we will add a tiny bit of sandwich bread. Next, we will fold up our sub. Now it is time to taste the grilled potato stub. It is really healthy and delicious. Please kindly try this recipe at home. Thank you for watching Fudchannel Kids, and make sure to like, subscribe, and share, and also post their awesome comments on Fudchannel. Bye.